Good morning, gang. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate that you are here with me this morning. Late last night, just before 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, my cats were all going crazy, running through the house, back and forth, back and forth. Did they feel the earthquake that occurred there at 9:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time? There was a magnitude 2.5. 7 people did report to USGS that they felt it. USGS gave it an intensity level of 3, probably because of the reports. Felt noticeably indoors, especially on upper floors of buildings. Many people do not recognize it as an earthquake. They probably felt the vibration and thought it was a passing truck. Yeah, duck. That must have been a big duck. Lewis Wilson responded to an earthquake the day before. Had the biggest earthquake I've experienced to date in Kansas yesterday. Epicenter was in Oklahoma, where they keep shooting wastewater back into the earth. Do we really think there will be no repercussions? Are we that stupid? Alright, using Google Earth, here's the location of that 2.5. We got the towns of Harrington, Hope, Dillon, Woodbine, and over here we got the mid-continent rift system, the failed system that at one time the United States was going to rip itself apart and create an ocean, and the Humboldt fault zone, that's both drawn out in yellow and red. Up over here, not far from these recent earthquakes back in 1867, they actually had a magnitude 5.1. That earthquake was actually the largest earthquake that was ever recorded there in Kansas, near Manhattan City. It reportedly caused minor damage in Kansas, Iowa, and Missouri. Kansas is not known for earthquakes, but as you can see, since they started fracking, there's been a lot of them. This would be the USGS hazard map. This is the location of the magnitude 2.5. Let me bring it out a little bit. Yeah, they got, oh, there it goes. Just took a few minutes for it to fill in all the blanks there. But you can see here in this location, yeah, it's not considered a hazardous place for earthquakes. So maybe they should update that map, right? Let me bring this back out. There's Manhattan on the hazard map. Zooming out with Google Earth, you can see here in yellow the Newman Ridge. They say that the 1867 earthquake was caused by the fault zone for the Newman Ridge, which then triggered a series of earthquakes for the mid-continent rift system. The shaking was strong, though damage was minimum. Fallen plaster, chimneys, things like that. There was liquefaction, where the ground turned to quicksand at one farm close to the area of the earthquake. Some doors and windows rattled, some windows broke, some masonry, stones for the buildings, some of them fell too. So did you feel this earthquake that occurred last night? If so, please put those comments down below. How did your pets react? Did you feel dizzy before the earthquake? Yeah, please put those comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless y'all. Bye.